welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook chicken tinola. For this recipe, we will need chicken. For me personally, I would like to use chicken wings and chicken back part because it's tastier for soup. We have here chokos or saute. You can also use green papaya. I use green papaya personally if I'm cooking tinola, which uses native chicken. Because back home in the Philippines, if you would like to eat tinola, we will just catch your chicken and then pick some green papaya from the backyard garden of my mom. If it's the first time that you're watching this video, welcome to my channel. My name is Norbert. And if you would like to see some other recipes that I've cooked in the past, I will put the link above and just click it and let me know what you think. Just comment down below, and if you have any other suggestions, you can also let me know. You can also follow my accounts in Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. That's at Norbert June. Here's our tinola. Let's eat, guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week. Have a good one. Take care. Bye bye.